Morning, classmates and teacher. This is my oral presentation of course of English level 2. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. Then I'm going to talk about my trip to Mexico. Then I'm going to talk about the weather in Acapulco, and the last item is some recommendations I'm gonna give you. Well, this is Mueller Hernandez. I'm student of electrical engineering. I live in Bogota. I am 47 years old. I'm single, and now I'm working as a farmer. My jobs is horseback riding, bike riding, and going shopping and swimming. Now I'm gonna talk to you about my trip to Mexico. Last vacation I went to Mexico with my girlfriend. When we arrived to Mexico City, we have to do some custom requirements. After all, we went to a hotel somebody recommended to us. When we got to the hotel, we stayed there for 2 hours and then we left the hotel to go to visit some interesting places in Mexico City, such are the Garibaldi Plaza and the Zócalo. Those are very famous places to visit over there. 2 days later, we went to the beaches of Acapulco by bus. This trip took more than 8 hours. We went by bus because going on plane is kind of expensive, so we better took bus. When we got Acapulco, the hotel was kind of expensive, but it was a very nice place to stay, and we enjoyed the beaches games such as parachutes and boating, taking the sun and things like that. 2 days later, we came back to Mexico City. The recommendation I could give you are that you don't have to take or carry too much cash because it is easy to pay over there with the debit card or debit or credit card. Another recommendation is if you get first the Mexico City, you can go to Acapulco by bus because it is cheaper than going on a plane, as you know. There are interesting places to go to visit. The one I recommend is the Garibaldi Plaza because you can listen to the mariachi. This is a very famous place to go. The other recommendation I could give you is to visit the Latin American Tower. It have a very nice sight seen in the roof of the building, and you can see all the Mexico City from this tower. Well, this is all for now. Thank you very much.